Greetings, citizens. It has come to our attention that the unspeakable savagery of torturing dolphins to death for hours is allowed to continue on the Faroe Islands as Mother Nature severely bleeds before our very eyes. The Nordic Cooperation is the world's oldest regional partnership. It consists of Sweden, Finland, Åland, Norway, Iceland, Denmark, Greenland, and the Faroe Islands. The Nordic Cooperation state the following, and we quote, "Our vision is to make the Nordic region the most sustainable and integrated region in the world by 2030. The cooperation in the Nordic Council of Ministers must serve this purpose." End of quote. It is therefore not only appropriate, but also fully reasonable to demand that the Nordic Council take action against the slaughter of dolphins committed by the Faroe Islands, because the very essence of the so-called tradition of Grindader goes against the very vision that the Nordic Council claimed to have. Dolphins and whales have a huge positive impact on climate change, but there is nothing sustainable about barbaric slaughter for fun, with very little aim for food. That is nothing short of a gross violation of international agreements concerning pollution as well. That makes you, the Nordic Council, accomplices, with the result that all of you violate every agreement regarding pollution any and all of you claim to honor. The world has condemned these horrendous slaughters on numerous occasions, and we know that the sea shepherds have been punished in gruesome manners by the Faroe Islands, as they desperately tried to save these dolphins, also called pilot whales, for almost 30 years now. The world was shockingly horrified to find out about the most recent slaughter, having to witness a complete bloodbath, as 1,428 of these white-sided dolphins, after being tormented during hours of savage hunt, ended in the dolphins slowly being tortured to death. Innocent little children standing on the shore, watching a blood-filled ocean as men swimming in the bloodbath were laughing. Those children are never given any opportunity but to have to grow up learning that these gruesome acts are the Faroese idea of fun. The innocent creatures that fell victims to the bloody nightmare were in no way all processed for food. To claim it is done in the name of feeding humans will not save anyone's face in this savagery. The world learned that the Faroe Islands have no problem dumping 1,000 carcasses of these dolphins. This makes a complete mockery out of your values in the Nordic Council. By not speaking up against it, and by not making sure it ends, it also makes you complicit. The savagery per automation also becomes a very repulsive violation to the human right that all of you claim to respect. The rights of the children and the rights to life for those who pay with their lives in horrendous disasters due to climate change, and to those who die from starvation. Calling it a Faroese tradition and right to behave with such savagery described is in no way any form of valid excuse. We therefore inform you all that when someone's so-called rights start to violate others' rights, that is the very instant their so-called right unquestionably ceases to be any form of right. No nation must ever be given privileges only, exempted from the obligations every nation must fulfill in order to coexist with the rest of the planet. Those simple rules must apply to the Faroe Islands as well as every other nation. If they don't comply by the rules, then the world must take the stand that they forfeited their right to coexist as a sovereign nation, and through sanctions leave them to their destiny in every aspect. We demand sustainable action against the Faroe Islands until this barbaric practice is halted for good. Paula Lehtomäki. As General Secretary of the Nordic Council, we expect you to summon the ministers, and that you all face your responsibilities in this. We demand that you make sure that your member, the Faroe Islands, end the devastating behavior immediately. We are anonymous. We are legion. We don't forgive. We don't forget. Expect us.